Hey, what up everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince, as we welcoming you to Soccer Forensics. Ntwani Ukrend.
Boy.
Sweet man.
Oh, good, my boy.
Away.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest football news from Orkanti up until La Ekasi.
Yeah.
Stolas Gichi, my boy.
Ntwana.
I want us to touch just a bit, namhlanje.
Sure.
Just a quick nyana review. As we all know, preseason preparation, some teams are just going for preparating for the league.
Yeah.
Some teams are on the Club World Cup.
Sure.
Sure. All around Africa and all eyes on America.
Yeah.
See America.
USA. Yeah.
That's where everyone is just looking at right now.
Yeah.
That's where football will be anticipated to be spectacular.
Sure.
I want us to touch on it. I'm trying to World Cup but I want us to touch to basically like focus on African teams.
African teams, ne?
Yeah, African teams only.
Okay.
How many teams do we have, my boy?
We only have four African
teams,
teams, yeah, which is Al Ahly,
okay,
Esperance, Al Tunisia,
okay,
Mamelodi Sundowns,
Gabriel.
Mamelodi Sundowns,
Yeah.
Then the last one will be Wydad, Casablanca.
Yeah. Those four teams will be representing Africa on the Club World Cup.
Sure.
Ithi ngiqale kanje ntwana yabo ngiqale silwe one time.
Yeah.
Silwe nani nilwe nathi on the comment section. Cool. Do you see any African team advancing from the group stages?
From the group stages, man.
Group A. Masiqale ngeGroup A. Group A,
there's Al Ahly, there's Inter Miami, there's Palmeiras.
Yeah.
Then the FC Porto. Hey.
Group A masiqale ngada.
Yeah.
Port A, Group A. Al Ahly. Which team do you think is gonna
advance on Group A?
Yeah.
Only two teams.
Two teams, yeah.
That are expected to advance. Ne?
Yeah.
It's for me. I'd say Inter Milan and FC Porto.
Porto. Yeah. Those are like the two top big teams currently, I think.
Yeah.
Messi will be playing.
Yeah.
The GOAT.
Yeah.
Messi will be playing. Yeah, we're expecting him to advance.
Sure.
I don't think they will be having any problems there. Palmeiras, but not as much as
Porto. Yeah.
As Porto, ne? But yeah. So yeah, ngivumelana nawe again.
Okay.
Al Ahly, do you see Al Ahly winning any match between on those three other teams? Hey, team engathi izoshaya la.
Engazibambelanyana maybe lapha yabo Palmeiras. Yeah.
Don't forget ukuthi kune technical Spanish guitar la.
Ndana leyo isebenzi le.
Ayisebenzi.
And then the fact is we are African, man.
Mm-hmm.
Like African teams, when it comes to these American teams or the European teams, it's something else. Like we don't match the standard. The gap is too huge.
It's still too huge.
Yeah, the gap is too huge, man. Even if ongapega Africa, AFCON, then one be UCL, you'll see the huge difference.
Yeah, there is a difference. Yeah, there is
even
a difference.
If amanyama players wala Africa adlala Orkanti mara magabuya la for AFCON being mixed with some African players again adlala ngapha uyabo ukuthi
inkinga ne
the quality. Yeah.
Okay.
Usala esimbeka ku Liverpool usala simbeka ngapha ku Egypt. So yeah, moving to Group B.
Group D.
Oh, Group D.
B, there isn't
Arsenal.
any African team.
Yeah.
C, there aren't any African team there.
Yeah, then we move to Group D.
Yeah.
Which there's Chelsea, Esperance, Flamengo, and Lyon. Yeah.
Lyon. Hey, Esperance now. Bagcwalisa inamba la.
Bagcwalisa
inamba la.
Angadliwa bo Flamengo.
Zinzima.
Lezi ngizithemba
Zinzima.
lezi Leon ngathi izingiz.
Yeah, Flamingo. This is a Brazilian team, ne?
Yeah.
Ziyabuya.
Flamingo zase Brazil nazo.
Ziyabuya.
Okay. Which means
Just to double check if hiyo lingi bonayo. But it's
the only Brazilian team I know it's Fluminense.
Fluminense.
Yeah.
The one that will be on the group stage in Sundowns, ne?
Yeah.
Check
Flamingo, my boy. Check Flamingo da.
Moving right along. Siyobuya kuyo. Do you see Esperance winning any team here?
The thing is, these two teams, angizazi man, but you know, African teams, man, as I've said, with African teams, the only team.
Yeah.
Yeah, Serie A. Is it Serie A?
Yeah, Serie A, Maraxi Serie A.
Yeah.
Yeah, in a Palmares la.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's Brazil. Yeah, it's Brazil.
Brazilian, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the one, yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah. I wish means I out. Yeah, the only thing the only team I'm guaranteed with it's Chelsea. Yeah.
Chelsea, ne?
Yeah.
So Chelsea.
You will choose the rest. I don't know.
Chelsea. Okay. Let's just say Chelsea. I don't see maybe Ngasbambela.
Leon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then moving to Group F.
Yeah.
Yeah, Group F, there's Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ayikho iGroup A one just hlanganise ethu zala Africa zahamane lapha.
Why?
Like kuzokhona ukuthi advance eyi1.
Indana.
Bangazihama noma advance noma singahlangana bangazihama kuphume lezo zoyi2.
Ziluza zithi.
So okay, going to Group F.
Yeah.
There's Borussia Dortmund.
Okay.
Borussia Dortmund, they concluding the a deal to sign Ujobe Bellingham.
Yeah. Untana gabo
Jude
Bellingham, yeah.
Yeah. So hey, one. Then the other team is it's Fluminense, the Brazilian side. Yeah. Then there's Mamelodi Sundowns, Kabuyelo Masandawana, the South African one. Yeah. Then there's Alsen. Obvious. This is obvious, dog. Obvious. The first two teams.
Number 1 and number 2.
Yeah, basibeke kanjani.
So siqalisa inamba la.
Yeah. Wena ni what's this is Hussein or Alsen yona le?
Yeah, Alsen.
Yeah, ni la
siqalisa inamba.
Mangasho uleko kuzigamela la ngisazi la Alsen na come on dog. Okay. For me I'll go with Borussia Dortmund and Fluminense. I'd like to see Mamelodi Sundowns playing against Fluminense, man. Fluminense is playing the incredible football.
True. True.
I saw them playing against Al Ahly. I saw them playing against Man City. So man, a great team to watch. I'm told, starting from the back.
From the back.
Yeah, from goalkeeper. These teams are playing football from the 16 area box.
Yeah.
While you pressing.
It's your bone.
Against the whole city, Ndwana.
It's your bone. That was how many years ago, Ndwana? That was how many years ago?
No, last season.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So, Yabo?
Either and Alsen is a South Korean team.
Yeah.
It's not doing good, Ndwana. On their league, it's like 15 teams, ne? And they finished on number 14.
Ungazibambela khona lapha ya. Why is ukutla up World Cup please?
Beshies before. Khona manje asashies.
Ngaba replacing ngazo bafaka Chiefs.
Bafaka Chiefs.
Into besokhama yona na le USA thina.
Njabulisa iNetbank nje kuphela ayikho yini.
Yeah, that's Ndwana. Those are only African teams that will be representing African.
Without
Why did you With it, Casablanca
Ushi
on the
with
group H.
Hey, that's like the death.
Yeah,
That's like the death. The death.
Group H.
Yeah.
Group H, there's Al Hayyin, there's Juventus, there's City, and with it.
Casablanca.
Even this one, and it's obvious, dog.
Juventus and City now.
Yeah, you see.
Juventus and City. Okay.
Juventus and City.
But I'm really
where the Casablanca ingazibambela lapha yana yo izistretchele lapha ya ku Al Hayyin nakhona. Yeah.
Way.
Just to test the Club World Cup win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, and then I'm just like, I'm surprised. I'm like, yo, Untana Lodge gone.
Yeah.
He'll be rubbing shoulders
Shoulders with Abu Pep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the striker list is City list.
Abu Haaland.
Abu Haaland.
Yeah.
Aye, okay.
He'll be bypassing Abu Ruben Diaz lapha ya.
Yena.
Yeah.
I won.
Yeah, ufuni net. Ezithi lodge.
Yo, bazompoketa ngathi-ke khona seskimini.
Yeah.
Konjubani no dayideng order konjubani. There's a player ebenimfuna kakhulu sekada naye.
Oh yeah. Oh. Leya ku Young Africans.
Yeah, leya madayi le.
Yeah.
Aziz.
Yeah.
I was watching image yabo 2 weeks back. Is it 2 weeks?
Yeah, the friendly match they played against what's this team? Yeah.
Yeah, the friendly match they were playing. I was watching, but he was on a sub, and then Bamfaga. It was just average. I don't know. Maybe it's just because it was a friendly, but they lost 1-0 on that, and it was just. Yeah. But anyway. Just tell us, guys, which other teams do you think on the thingy are you more excited to see? Which games are you excited to? And which players do you want to see as well? Just comment down below.
Me, I can't wait to see Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, guys, please subscribe to Soccer Forensics. Alright, let's have that conversation on the comment section.
Yeah.
Which teams or when they are advancing to the next stage of the tournament.
Yep.
From me to you, one love, peace.
Soccer Forensics. We out.